Hey guys, I have come with the amazing project Fake News Classifier in the Natural Language Processing. So what is the purpose of this project? So as the name suggests, it classifies the fake news. Like if we have a news, so our model classifies that the news is a fake or real. Okay. So first of all, we import the required libraries. Pandas, NLTK. NLTK is a NLP based libraries. Stop words, matplotlib and warning. Warning is basically used to ignore the warnings. So here we ignore warning. Then here we import the training data. Here we have five features: ID, title, author, text and label. But we use only five features. Title is our news, and label is our target feature. One stands for real news, zero stands for fake news. Now we perform the EDA part, exploratory data analysis. Now check the null value. So here is lots of null value, so we drop the null value rows. Okay, then here's now again check here's null value or not. So no null values are present. Now check how much fake news and how much real news. Then visualize the real and fake news. Now separate the features like independent and dependent features. X stores the dependent feature and Y stores the independent feature. X store the independent feature, Y store the dependent feature. Then check the shape and we reset the index. Why we reset the index? Here we drop the null value rows. So after dropping the null value rows, our indexes are not in sequence like 0, 1, 5, 8, 10. So this is not in sequence. So to make in sequence, we reset the index. Okay. Then the next part is remove the stop words and apply the stemming. So stop words means like stop words like is, are, am, this. These are stop words. So we remove this type of stop words. Then apply the stemming. So what is stemming now? So stemming is basically like if we have four words like, likely, liking, and liked. So it converts into the like. It basically goes to the root word. Okay, so it convert into the root word of these four words. Now you can see our news after applying the stemming and removing the stop words. Now the next step is to apply one hot representation. Now before one hot, we import some libraries like import our hidden layers, sequential model, one hot representation, and paired sequence. So one hot representation is basically used to convert our news into the numerical data. Numerical data means if we have a 10,000 words of dictionary, so if we have a word go like index of the go is 5,000. So 5,000 at index in 10,000 words of dictionary go at the 5,000 index. So go convert into the 5,000 and same for all words. Okay. So it converts into the indexes. Okay, then the next step is paired sequence. Apply paired sequence. Paired sequence is basically used to make all sentence length equal. Like if we have a four news, like first news of length 4, second news of length 10, third news of length 20. So we convert all sentence length equal. Like we have we take 20. 20 is the maximum length. So 0 added at the front of the news. Okay. Then convert into the array. Data converted into the array. Then check the shape. Check the length actually. Then split the data into training and testing. Testing data we take 10%. Okay. Then check the shape of our data. Then define our own architecture, and we have only one output like real or fake. Then we can check the summary of our model. Then I train a model for 30 epochs. Okay. Then after training, we test a model. So this is our testing. Then evaluation is basically used to get accuracy. Okay, so we check a accuracy score, classification report, confusion matrix. So our overall accuracy is 93%. We check a confusion matrix. Confusion matrix basically tells us that how much wrong values are predicted by our model. So 66 plus 60 values are wrong prediction. Then check the classification report. So our overall accuracy is 93%. You can see the precision recall F1 score. Okay, then save a model, then load a model, then load a testing data, then check the null values. Here is no null value. Check the shape. Then we apply the same process which we apply above data. Okay, like we remove the stop words, apply the stemming, apply one hot representation, apply paired sequence, convert into array, then prediction. Okay, then now apply the function, test function, test model function. Okay, then convert 1 into real and 0 into fake. Okay, then check the length, then show the data like this is news and this is our prediction, like this is our news and this is a fake news, this is our news, this is a real news. Okay, then after all this, we now the time the time come for testing our model on the custom data set. So here we take all the process, all the steps. Now we give a sentence, spectre of term etc 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 etc. So we take a sentence and check our model is classifying correctly or not. So it classify message is fake. Here we take another custom sentence, message is real. Okay, so this is our fake news classifier in natural language processing. So I don't deploy this model on localhost. If you want deployment of this model, so you can comment below, or for the source code you can visit here. You will get a source code here, and how to run this project and explanation of all the project you will get here. This is my blog. You can follow this blog if you are interested in ML, DL, NLP, data science. So you can follow this blog. Here you will get each type of project. Okay. So thank you guys. We will meet in the next project.